Dear respected faculty, pharmacists, and dear lovely students. Today is 25th September. We are celebrating World Pharmacist Day. I use this opportunity to extend my hearty congratulations and sincere thanks to all the pharmacists for their daily work, especially in these times of pandemic. The purpose of celebrating the World Pharmacist Day, as visioned by International Pharmaceutical Federation, is only to encourage the role and activities of the pharmacist in improving health of the public. There are more than 4 million pharmacists worldwide. They are using their broad knowledge and unique expertise to ensure that people get the best results from their medicines. As we know, only through the effective usage of therapeutic products, the safety of the patients can be saved or improved. This is mainly done by pharmacists. Therefore, the importance of pharmacists in healthcare system is increasing day by day. The theme of this year's Pharmacist Day is Pharmacists Transforming Global Health. As we all face the challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic, each and every pharmacist in all fields of their profession are all individually playing an inevitable role in transforming the health of their communities by advising on healthy living, by vaccinating to prevent diseases, and by ensuring that medicines are taken correctly. By all these measures, pharmacists are managing diseases well and improving the quality of life of the people. When we observe the 25th September as World Pharmacist Day, like other healthcare professionals, pharmacists also are working tirelessly to stop the spread of COVID-19 and to ensure that people continue to have access to medicines they need. So on this special occasion, we should salute and thank our pharmacists for their efforts during this difficult time. The fifth semester of B.Pharm students of our college are trying their level best to highlight the role and activities of the pharmacist in healthcare system by celebrating the World Pharmacist Day 2020 on online platform. Apart from their busy schedule of online classes and first session examinations, I congratulate Ms. Anu Jayamon, head of the co-curricular and extracurricular committee, Ms. Ansi, class coordinator, and each and every one of 5th semester B.Pharm students for the pain they took for the successful conduct of this day celebration. As pharmacist teachers, our principal Dr. Padmanabhan, our vice principal Dr. Dibajos, our HODs, and all our teaching and non-teaching faculty, they are fully dedicated in training our budding pharmacists, that is our students, as the qualified and competent pharmacist to meet the growing needs of our society. I am thankful to them all for the great work rendering to our college. Congratulating and thanking you all, I wish all the blessings and greetings of this day. May God bless you. Thank you.
Good morning, students and teachers of Nirmala College of Pharmacy. I would like to share a few lines of message on this great time of World Pharmacist Day. I feel very much proud to be a pharmacist first. I'm happy to serve as a pharmaceutical educator. What is World Pharmacist Day? From where this word comes? It has been designated in 2009 way back by the International Pharmaceutical Federation called as FIP in Istanbul, Turkey. They have declared this 25th September as a World Pharmacist Day. This federation always encourages the pharmacists to use this day to organize the various activities and to promote as well as to advocate the role of pharmacists in healthcare system to reach the health benefits in around the world. Our FIP President Dominic Jordan also said that this year sees our 10th World Pharmacist Day. We aim to show our pharmacists contribute to a world where everyone benefits to access the safe, effective, quality and affordable medicines and health technologies as well from pharmaceutical care services. In line of that, NCP is advocating the various competitions as a Pharmacist Day celebration under the announced theme Transforming Global Health. Yes, students are motivated and encouraged to participate under various activities to show their involvements and fulfill their aspirations by the following events on online mode due to pandemic situations, which includes photographic competition, awareness videos, e-scientific posters from all the classes of B.Pharm, PharmD and M.Pharm. I sincerely express my thanks as a principal of Nirmala College of Pharmacy to Ms. Anuj extracurricular head for the great initiatives. And it's my due respect, I wanted to thank our administrator, Reverend Father Jose Mandariat, for the constant support, guidance and motivation. Thank you very much for inviting me to share my video presentation on this great day. I thank the students representatives of the class for taking the lead to organize this kind of activities. Thank you very much. All the very best.
Greetings to all. International Pharmaceutical Federation established World Pharmacist Day in order to encourage, emphasize, and to create an awareness about the role of pharmacist. The theme for this year's World Pharmacist Day is Transforming Global Health. Pharmacists, being the most accessible health professionals, can play a key role in transforming global health. The pharmacy professionals, they can transform the life and well-being of the communities, especially in this COVID-19 pandemic season. FIP has launched around 21 development goals to transform the pharmacy profession over the next decade. In order to attain the workforce to achieve these goals, pharmacists, especially young pharmacists, they have to be groomed or trained to take up the challenges or to meet the evolving needs of the current scenario. This year, the observation of the World Pharmacist Day is most significant as the world is facing the challenges of COVID-19. All around the world, the pharmacists are working tirelessly to stop the spread of the disease and to ensure the availability or the accessibility of the medicines. Many of my pharmacist friends working abroad, they are of the opinion that the duty of the pharmacist goes over and beyond simple dispensing of medications. They are good counselors who can be approached easily by all. Anyone can walk into the pharmacy without any appointment and they can seek guidelines for any medication. Pharmacists are a great relief for many of the persons, especially during this season, as many of them were not aware or they were not sure what to do, whether to consult a doctor, whether to go to a hospital or not. So many people simply approached the pharmacist, and just by talking with the pharmacist, they would feel relaxed and they returned, as narrated by one of my friends working in Abu Dhabi. With or without COVID-19, there is always an army of heroes behind these pharmacy counters just to comfort and just to give counseling or to console the sick or those who are stressed out. This day is also the day to give importance to the clinical researchers, because with great hope the world is looking at the clinical researchers for a COVID vaccine. That is the power of our profession, which has the ability to make a positive change in the health of millions of people. Being the pharmacy students, a bright and promising future, obviously a highly responsible future is awaiting you. So you have to understand, realize and communicate the values of our profession and the roles we play in improving the health all over the world. As budding pharmacists, you have the responsibility to throw light into the life of people who are really in need. Try to find out the potential within you. Thus we can be a blessing for all. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate and sincerely thank the entire pharmacy fraternity all over the world for their selfless services and efforts, especially during this COVID-19 pandemic. I would like to congratulate all my dear students and the faculty who worked hard amidst their sessional examination to make this event a success. Thank you all, and best wishes.
Hello everyone, I'm happy to know that Nirmala College of Pharmacy, Moatura is celebrating World Pharmacist Day on September 25th, which is hosted by the 5th semester B.Pharm students as well as the co-curricular and extracurricular committee. And I think this year's theme is Transforming Global Health. During our current COVID-19 crisis, it is very important to know and understand each of our roles. As a pharmacist, whichever field we are working in, whether it is in regulatory affairs, whether it is as a student, whether as a pharmacist, whether a hospital pharmacist, as a clinical pharmacist, wherever we work, it is important to understand our role and to do our duty at the best of our ability. Be proud of who you are. Be proud to be a pharmacist. Thank you.
നിർമ്മല കോളേജ് ഓഫ് ഫാർമസി മൂവാറ്റുപുഴയിലെ അധ്യാപകർക്കും എൻ്റെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്കും എൻ്റെ ഈ വർഷത്തെ ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റ് ദിനാശംസകൾ. ട്രാൻസ്ഫോമിംഗ് ഗ്ലോബൽ ഹെൽത്ത് എന്നതാണ് ഈ വർഷത്തെ ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റ് ദിന സന്ദേശം. അത് കേന്ദ്രീകരിക്കുന്നത് ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റ് ട്രാൻസ്ഫോമിംഗ് ഗ്ലോബൽ ഹെൽത്ത് എന്ന ആശയത്തിലാണ്. ഈ ആശയത്തിനെ മുൻനിർത്തി നിങ്ങൾ ഏവരും അധ്യാപകരും വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളും പ്രവർത്തിക്കണമെന്ന് ഞാൻ അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. താങ്ക് യു.
the medical science is working from dawn to dusk to bring back the world to the normal living. And to put an end to this pandemic virus, what we can do is to undertake proper precautions and avoid the risk of getting infected and spreading the virus.
From the beginning of COVID outbreak itself, pharmacists are pouring their blood, sweat and tears to develop vaccine and make it available globally.
In this great situation where everyone is busy facing doctors, nurses and cops, we have to look forward to the role of the pharmacist. Our outlook of pharmacist is limited to dispensing.
Over the past 50 years, the role of pharmacist has evolved along with the healthcare need of our population.
In addition to dispensing medications and ensuring patient safety, today's pharmacists are taking a larger role as medical counselors, educators, and advocates.
On this Pharmacist Day, we 5th semester B.Pharm students are here with the real aspects of the role of a pharmacist in transforming global health.
During the development and discovery of new medicine, we pharmacists work with the other scientists to develop and select a new drug that may be valuable as medicine.
We complete pharmacy operational requirements by developing and organizing technicians, workflow, verifying their preparations and labeling of pharmaceuticals, and also verifying order entries, charges and inspections.
We comply with the state and federal drug laws as regulated by the State Board of Pharmacy, the Drug Enforcement Administration, and the Food and Drug Administration by monitoring nursing unit inspection.
We maintain the records for controlled substances and removes damaged and outdated drugs from the pharmacy inventory.
We maintain current registration, studies existing and new legislation, and specialization and advice management on needed action.
We provide pharmacological information by answering the questions and requests of healthcare professionals and counseling the patients on drug therapies.
We develop hospital staffs and pharmacological knowledge by participating clinical programs and training pharmacy staff, students, externs and healthcare professionals.
We serve patients by medication, giving pharmacological information to multidisciplinary healthcare teams and monitoring patient drug therapies.
And finally, we dispense medications by compounding, packaging and labeling pharmaceuticals.
In a nutshell, we can say pharmacist is the gatekeeper for the appropriate medication management.
The purpose of World Pharmacist Day is to encourage activities that promote and advocate the role of pharmacists in improving the world's health. This year's theme is developed by the International Pharmaceutical Federation is transforming global health.
Therefore, we should all work together to establish and give our pharmacists the rightful position in our society.
I am proud to be a pharmacy student.
Proud to be a pharmacist student.
I am proud to be a pharmacy student.
Proud to be a pharmacy student.
I am proud to be a pharmacy student.
I am proud to be a pharmacy student.
I'm proud to be a pharmacy student.
I am proud to be a pharmacy student.
I am proud to be a pharmacy student. I am proud to be a pharmacy student.
I am proud to be a pharmacy student.
I'm proud to be a pharmacy student.
I'm proud to be a pharmacy student.
I am proud to be a pharmacist.
Proud to be a pharmacist. Proud to be a pharmacist.
Proud to be a pharmacist.